Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AGENTiPY token. Ticker symbol is APY. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain, just came out 21 hours 31 minutes ago on RAYDIUM. They have almost a $2 million 24-hour trading volume. $28.1 million worth of market cap, and it says the Python toolkit for connecting artificial intelligent agents to any on-chain application. So this is a big project here, and we're going to go over the information on the APY token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token here on SolScan. You can find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, or Bird Eye if you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistical information. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. AGENTiPY on X. And I haven't seen a Telegram yet, but they do have a web page that you can check out as well, which is agentipy.fund, and it says the Python framework for connecting AI agents to any on-chain app on the Solana blockchain. And then it has a get started button, and it has a link to their Twitter on the web page, and that's basically all there is on the web page. And if you click get started, it takes you over to the GitHub where you can get started if you want to actually use the applications there. Now they have a README section if you want to learn information. So we'll get to that in a second here. But on their SolScan, it says they have 5,171 holders so far. They have here a price of 2.8 cents per token right now. Started with $1 billion total supply. Right now, their current total supply, 999,999,411 tokens, and their market cap is over $28 million. 6 decimal places on this token. Contract ends in pump, which tells us this token was created on pump.fun. And yeah, so what is this project all about here? It says a powerful toolkit for interacting with the Solana blockchain, provides easy to use functions for token operations, trading, and more, now integrated with the LangChain for enhanced functionality. So they have yield farming. So it says here some of the features: token operations like transfer SOL and SPL tokens, check token balances, stake SOL, deploy new tokens, request faucet funds, burn and close token accounts, batch burn and close token accounts, trading integrated with Jupiter Exchange support, token swaps with customizable slippage, direct routing options, buy and sell tokens with RAYDIUM liquidity, yield farming, lend idle assets to earn interest with a Lulo, LangChain integration, utilize LangChain tools to enhance blockchain interactions, access a suite of tools for balance checks, transfers, token deployments, and more. There is performance tracking, fetch current transactions per second, TPS on the Solana network, token data, get token data by ticker, get token data by address, pump and fund tokens, launch pump and fund tokens with customizable options, and METEORA DLMM pools, create METEORA pools with various configurations. So they show you all sorts of examples and stuff like that. They have tons of info on this GitHub that is linked on there, so you can check all that out there. But let's get back to this token here. So it says they only have a little liquidity pool of $61,000 in Raydium. But if you did want to get this token here, you can get it off Raydium. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could fund your wallet with Sol, and you would go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the AGENTiPY token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. It's real easy to find it right there. It's the one that ends in pump. And so you would trade your Sol for the APY token using that contract address. You probably won't have to set slippage. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees though. So it says the Python toolkit for connecting AI agents to any on-chain app. Now I'm not a developer, I'm just a YouTuber. So I do not use, these types of things here, but I always hear, them talked about for coding, and I listen to like the Lex Friedman AI podcast all the time. They talk about Python and all sorts of different ways to code projects and things like that. So, I mean, I have heard of it before, but I just have not used it, so I can't tell you, like my experience using it or anything, but you're welcome to check out all the info on the GitHub that's linked right there. And their webpage is also linked right there. Their Twitter right here just joined in December 2024. They already have 10,700 followers on the Twitter. So it says here, introducing AGENTiPY, an open source framework for connecting artificial intelligent agents to any on-chain app on Solana in Python. Now any agent coded in Python can perform Solana actions like SPL, transfer, stake, trade, lend, launch, coin, or create DLMM, staying completely in Python. The Python framework for connecting AI agents to any on-chain app on Sol. So it looks like they have a gate. It says here that this token just got listed on Gates, and this is from 2 hours ago. So that's interesting. So they just got a brand new central exchange listing in the past couple hours. Just saw that. You can see that on their Twitter right there. And yeah, they updated here from 4 hours ago. 9,000 plus followers, 5,000 plus holders. Thank you all. We see new forks created, 10 new stars rising, 76 and counting on GitHub. So yeah, they're making tons of progress here. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.